Charles in Tennessee. This is your Magnum 1, just getting started on it. You wanted to build a video, so I'm going to start with that. Okay, there's the inside of your radio before I do anything to it. You notice it still has the little 1000 microfarad caps in there. They'll be coming out right here shortly, and I'll make all my mods and improvements to it. And you also wanted the FQP 13N10s. I'll get started on that as well. Okay, more to come. Okay, Charles, I got my Let's Come improvements done. You can see some of it. There's the hot glue over the jumpers to keep the jumpers from moving around. I've done the frequency mod. More hot glue over here. Also, there's your voltage regulator buffer filter capacitor. Been upgraded from a 1000 to a 3300. Same with the DC input buffer filter. Upgraded from a 1000 to a 3300. Also got the hot glue on the back of the power jack. I think I've said before that I had some complaints about the pins being pushed out when they used an aftermarket power cord, and haven't had any more complaints since I started putting the hot glue on the back here. It keeps the pins from coming out. Okay, and I'm getting ready to mark all of the adjustments and go through and do the complete alignment on the radio. Alright, more to come. Okay, just finished up your alignment. It went completely through the radio, all through the receive section and through the transmit section. There's one thing these radios do not have that I wish that they did, and that's the harmonic attenuation adjustment. On this particular radio, I got a couple of spurs, and the way that I've been doing it is spreading this coil here apart. I'm just spreading it out that way to knock down the two birdies. There are multiplications of the center one's in the 54 megahertz range, and the other one is about 12.5 megahertz. 12.5, close to 13. So what I have to do is try to adjust. It's this one right here that I can't squeeze it together anymore, but I can spread it apart, and that does help. So I'll probably wind up doing that because this one's got a couple of spurs. The harmonious spurious rejection adjustment, I don't remember now what it's called, but it's like double the frequency, either double or half the frequency, you know. All right, I'm going to put the new finals in first. Got them laid out here. Put those in first and do the adjustments for those. It's that one and this one, and set the voltage like it's supposed to be on all three of them, and then I'll do the spurious harmonic adjustment testing and everything after that. I have a spectrum analyzer hooked up to my computer that I use to do that with. Alright, more to come. Okay, Charles, I'm back. Got the FQP 13N10s all installed. I just finished setting up the voltage on them, was getting ready to check it out. Going to inject a 1000 hertz tone, and we're reading on that bottom scale there. It's got a 100-watt slug in it. Got it on ×1 position, and we'll be reading on the bottom scale. Oh, wow! Do I have everything set up right? We're on lower sideband. external. Yeah, times 1. And that is a 100-watt slug. That was over 100 watts. Well, I'll be damned. That's what, about 64, 65 RMS. And this is on lower sideband. Yep, lower sideband. All right, let's see what it does on AM. We're doing about 60 watts peak on AM. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's FM. Hold on. That's right at 100 watts peak on AM and 30 watts RMS. Turn the audio off and see what it does. Drops down to about, what was that, 24, 25 watts dead key. Hello, audio, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio. That's cool. I mean, go back to lower side. We're back on lower side band. Yep. Audio, hello, hello, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Well, this one does more than any of them I've seen yet. Now you notice I went ahead and set up the harmonic distortion. Got those 2 peaks down as far as I could without an adjustment. I wish they would have put an adjustment in here. You know, most other radios like the Rangers and the Unidons, they've got this coil right back here pretty close to the antenna jack that allows you to adjust for harmonic distortion, which is, you know, like I explained before, basically a multiplier or a division of the frequency you're transmitting on. And usually the first double is the one that you get the most out of. So for us it would be 54 megahertz. But I also saw one, a smaller one, down around 13 and a half, as it turns out. And when I spread this out, it cut it way down on both the double, and the other one almost disappeared, but the double one, there's still some in there, but that's, you know, that's about as far as I can go with it. And the only reason that's working is that this coil is affecting this one and this one. In other words, it's better tuning the circuit to filter out the harmonics. But you know, that's as good as I'm going to get it. There's nothing else to do. Okay. Audio, hello, hello, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test, test audio. Boy, this one loves these transistors. Okay. Maybe I need to turn that down a little bit. I'll be back. Okay, I'll back that back down to about 90 watts. Actually about 90, 95 watts. And if you keep talking on it, sometimes it'll hit 100. But I backed it off a little. I don't want these things going out as soon as you get the radio and start talking on it. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1, 2. I'll tell you though, damn thing works good. That's about the most power I've seen out of one with FQP 13N10s in it. But that works. Alright, let me get the covers on it. I'll be right back. Okay, Charles, there she is. All done. Well, these little Magnum ones, they are nice radios. Okay, we're on lower sideband. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. And that was lower side. Here's AM. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Okay. And let's see. Put it back on lower sideband for you on channel 38. And of course, read the manual. The manual has what all these different buttons do. Okay, this radio has a lot of features. I think you're really going to like it. All right. Charles in Tennessee. Sure hope you enjoy your new Magnum 1. It was my pleasure to do the Lescom mods and set it up for you. 7-3, everybody.